So, welcome. So, this session of the turbulent flow in pipes. So, in the first before that we discussed the turbulent flow, what is the velocity profile of the turbulent flow, and we derived the Darcy-Weisbach equation, which one is the very important equation, Hf equal to 4 f L v square upon d into 2 g, where the f is the coefficient of friction. So, when fluid is flowing in pipes, we can calculate this major loss due to Darcy-Weisbach equation using this formula. So, in today's presentation we discuss the common equation for both smooth and rough pipes. Smooth pipe turbulent flow by power law, yes. Then resistance to flow of a fluid in smooth and rough pipes. So, what is the common equation for both? Yes, what is the common equation? So, common, yes, turbulent equation, which one is applicable for smooth as well as rough pipe. Okay. So, we have taken the, yes, this one is the, yes, we have taken just to be. So, this fluid is flowing. So, this one is the pipe. So, radius is the r, yes. So, we take cross section, okay. This one the radius, this radius is the r, yes. This is the r, this one is the r, and dr, dr. So, if we take for the boundary, this distance, lateral distance from boundary the y. So, what is the y? So, this y is the capital R minus r, this y. So, how you calculate discharge? You know the discharge is the, yes, discharge. What is the discharge? Area into velocity. So, this is the discharge, and for, yes. So, if this is the d cube, so yes, equal to into velocity, and what is the ring area? Yes, area of ring, dA, area of ring, this one is the 2 pi r into dr, 2 pi r into dr, this one is the ring area, this one is the ring area. This is the ring area. So, if this is the ring area, you calculate discharge, then what is the total discharge? How you calculate the total discharge? So, total discharge, yes, total discharge Q, yes, this Q we integrate dQ, and what is the dQ? So, this we integrate from 0 to r, this 0 to r, and what is this? Velocity into area, area is 2 pi r dr. So, this one is the, if you see, this is the discharge. So, for smooth, because ultimate objective is to calculate velocity profile of smooth as well as rough pipes. So, for in case of if you see the this profile for the smooth, what is the velocity distribution? Yes, in previous we calculated u shear velocity u upon uf equal to 5.75, yes, log base 10, already we calculated uf into y plus this one is the equation, this one is the common equation plus 5.5, this one is the common equation. Just see this velocity distribution in the smooth pipe, this one is the, just see this. So, what is the u? So, u, yes, we have calculated this is the u. So, then again the total, how we calculate q? Again q. So, this q, what is this? This one is the q. What is the q? We 0 to r, integrate r, yes. So, this 5.75 log base 10 u f r minus small r plus 5.5. So, this one is the into u f 2 pi r dr, 2 pi r dr, 2 pi r dr, 2 pi r dr. So, this one is the total discharge, this is the total discharge. Then what is the average velocity? Because all the time we have to calculate the average velocity, and average, what is average velocity? The average velocity equal to q upon area, this q upon a, average velocity. And what is the area? Pi r square, and we have already calculated that this discharge q. So, we can, yes. So, using by integrating and, yes, simplifying, so we get this, the final result is the, we get the final result. And what is the final velocity distribution? Average velocity upon u f, shear velocity, it equal to 5.75 log base 10 u f into r plus 1.75. So, this is the, what is this? Velocity distribution, velocity profile for this one the smooth, for smooth pipes. This one is the condition is the when flow is turbulent. When flow is the turbulent, if flow is turbulent, so this one is the velocity distribution. What about the rough pipe? Yes, what about the rough? So, already we have the equation, again the rough equation. Yes, we have velocity distribution of rough pipe. What is this? U, what is the velocity distribution for rough pipe? U upon u f, this equal to 5.75 log base 10 y upon k plus 85. Okay. So, we can again we can simplify, yes, we can simplify. So, this u f 5.75 log base 10, we can write r minus r, y equal to this, y equal to r minus r, k plus 8.5. So, this one is the equation, this equation comes from this one is the. So, again, so what is the velocity? So, if you calculate velocity, so this become u f upon, we are simplifying 5.75 log base 10 r minus small r k plus 8.5, this one. If you know the velocity, you calculate, yes, just you have calculated what is the total discharge. Total discharge, how you calculate? Q, total Q. What is the Q? If you integrate 0 to R, yes. So, this become U into 2 pi R dr, and what is the U? You calculate U at this U. So, U, this one is the value of U. Just see, this one is the U velocity and this is the area. Velocity into area become discharge. Okay. Do you follow my point? So, velocity, yes, velocity into area, we have already calculated velocity in form of the shear velocity. So, we can calculate discharge. If you calculate the discharge, just you can easily calculate what is the average velocity. How you calculate average velocity? Because average velocity, yes, we can note it any symbol. This one is the average velocity at this. Average velocity equal to discharge Q upon this pi R square. This is the area, total area. And this Q, this one is the Q. This is the Q. So, this value is the average, just see Q upon, yes. If you integrate and simplify, we get, yes, we have average velocity upon shear velocity 5.75, yes, log 10 R upon K plus 4.75. Always remember, yes, this always remember, this one is the equation. This one is the velocity distribution, velocity profile for, yes, rough pipe. Rough when pipe is the rough. We can also write, yes, we can, if you see this equation, this one is the, so again, so this one is the U upon UF, just see U upon UF, this equation, see U upon UF, and this is capital U upon, if you are, yes, minus 1 upon 2, 1 to 2, this equation you get U upon, from U upon UF from this minus average velocity upon shear velocity, yes. So, this become, because UF is the common, so we can write U minus U bar upon UF shear defect, and this we calculate, and this one is the very, yes, 75 log 10 y upon R plus 3.75. This one is the very important equation. This equation of the turbulent flow. So, according to Nekoratse experiment, the velocity distribution law for the smooth pipe, yes. So, all these correlation, yes, by we had taken the Nekoratse experiment, and he has seen that the velocity u upon maximum velocity is y upon r power 1 upon n. This one is the exponent, and what is the m? So, this 1 upon n, this value of it depend upon Reynolds number, yes, depend Reynolds number. So, if Reynolds number, just see, if Reynolds number for this up to 1 by 6, if Reynolds number this one is the 1 by 7, Reynolds number more than this, so 1 by 10. Okay. So, if we take, yes, for this condition, so we take 1 by 1 equal to 1 by 7. So, this one is the power law. So, U upon U max equal to y upon r 1 power 7, 1 power 7. So, this is known as, this equation, this is known as the 1/7 power law. This one is the 1/7 power law of velocity distribution for smooth, velocity distribution for smooth pipe. It is clear. So, u upon u max equal to y upon r power 1 upon 7th. So, this one is the power law of velocity distribution for smooth pipes. Okay. So, again resistance to flow of fluid in smooth and rough pipe. So, it can be shown by dimensional analysis that the friction coefficient, and what is the friction coefficient? That is the F depends upon, or this one is the function of Reynolds number, this function of Reynolds number and this K upon D surface. Okay. And this one is the, and what is the Reynolds number? Reynolds number is the rho V D upon mu. So, this F is the function of. So, it is velocity for laminar flow. If we see laminar flow, it is calculated, this F equal to 16 upon R E. So, this one is the coefficient of friction. If it is friction factor, then friction factor 4 time multiply 4 F equal to 64 upon R E. So, this F become F dash. So, friction factor F dash equal to 64 upon R E. So, this F dash is the friction factor. Okay. So, this one is the equation for the laminar flow, 16 upon R E. If F is the coefficient of friction, If friction factor, then 64 upon R E, Okay. Again for the turbulent flow, in case of the turbulent flow, so this value in case of the turbulent flow is value, yes, in case of the turbulent flow its value is 0.0791 upon Reynolds power 1 by 4, this power 1 by 4. This one is the for turbulent flow only. Okay. So, this one is the relation of the friction factor and Reynolds number in case of laminar as well as turbulent flow. So, if value of Reynolds number is higher than 10 power 5, if higher than 10 power 5, it means our, so this, what is this, average velocity upon shear velocity. So, this 5.75 log 10 already calculated u of into r plus 1.75 and the, what is the friction factor in term of the shear, twice rho v square. Just see. Then what is the F? Just see F, this value, because this one is the V, the average velocity we are mentioning this, yes. So, 2 upon naught. So, this one is the, so now equating this in place of this we can write this unsubstituted. Yes, what is the R? R is the diameter by 2 and what is the Reynolds number? Reynolds number in term of the kinematic viscosity, Reynolds number is equal to rho V d upon nu and this mu, and what is the nu? Kinematic viscosity is mu upon rho, this is the nu. So, this is in term of the kinematic viscosity. So, this velocity profile, what is this? Nu is the kinematic viscosity, kinematic viscosity, kinematic viscosity, kinematic viscosity. So, this is the kinematic viscosity. So, just see. So, this one is the in term of the, yes, this is the, just see this equation R, putting at this R equal to diameter d by 2 and Reynolds number in term of this, because we can write Reynolds number, yes, in term of the kinematic viscosity. So, if you solve, so this equation, this one is the, all these simplify root 4 f equal to 2 log 10 R e, again similar format under 4 minus 0.8. This one is the very important, is known as Karman Prandtl resistance equation for turbulent flow, for the turbulent flow, for the turbulent flow. So, again by the Neurath experiment, if you go for the Neurath empirical relation, so this one is the friction factor. Yes. So, this F we can write directly in term of the Reynolds number. What about the rough pipe? What is the variation of rough pipe? Variation of F variation of F in the rough pipes. If you see in the rough pipe variation, so what is this? Just see for the rough velocity distribution. If you write velocity distribution, yes, for the rough pipe, we can write equation average velocity upon shear velocity. This 5 point already derive 5.75 log 10 R upon K plus 4 point, and what is the UF? We can, yes, before that we can in term of the average velocity, and this F by 2. So, in two equations by, yes, by simplify, if you simplify using this 2, yes, this 2 you simplify, yes, we get again in term of the 4f, yes. So, this after simplifying we get this value, this value. So, if you get this value, yes, if you get this value, so then, yes, what is the, again simplify, yes, we can write, yes, and this one, then 1 upon f 2 log 10 R upon K. Okay. So, this one is the value, this one is the value. So, again, so all these are the, because if you seen this variation, with this variation, this one is the, all these in this Karman-Prandtl resistance equation for the turbulent flow, all the time the kinematic viscosity comes in the picture, just see, okay, because we calculate already calculated, we already calculated, yes, we already calculated this F is 16 upon RE, this F, yes, 0.0791, Reynolds 1 power 4. What is this? This for the laminar flow, laminar, and this one is the turbulent. So, it means only the F is the changing. What is the condition? If flow behavior is the changing, behavior means laminar to turbulent, if fluid flow through the pipes. Okay. So, this equation HF equal to, so where, what is the role of this? Because if already you know this 4F, yes, 4FL V square D into 2G, and what is this? This one is the head loss, and this head loss is calculated by the Darcy-Weisbach equation, this Darcy-Weisbach equation. It means this F, its equation is valid for laminar and turbulent flow both. If flow is laminar, then in place of F 16 upon RE, or this is the 64 upon RE. How 64 upon RE? Because if it is friction coefficient, if this is the friction factor, this becomes 64 upon RE. Okay. So, if this is friction coefficient, otherwise, okay. So, this one is the similar variation of in commercial pipe. If you calculate, so this one is the, this one again, yes, Colebrook and White develop an empirical relation. This one is the empirical relation, just to go through the this, for which? For the commercial pipes, for the commercial pipe. But in this case, their development, the F1 is the, yes, remember it is friction factor, not friction coefficient, this one is the friction factor. So, if you want to in term of the friction coefficient, you multiply into 4 times. So, this one, this again very important correlation for the commercial pipe developed by the Colebrook and White, yes, it is empirical relation, it is empirical relation. Thank you.